ये है की
और ये है का
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा
विद फरीदून।
कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। बजट के बारे में डिस्कशन करनी है।
I don't work in a corporate firm यार।
आलू ले लो। नहीं यार, जेंट्स फर्स्ट खेलते ना। आप भी हैम्पर लेके आए हो आज?
Oh, not bad यार।
ओह, मुझे प्याज के भाव पे चर्चा करनी। ऑप्शंस दीजिए, इनको पता होगा। बेगम को पता होगा। I'll just be back। KYC for her is Karan you called। चलिए खेलते हैं फरीदून के साथ। कौन है फिल्म में पति और कौन है पत्नी? आइए।
Arjun and Kareena, we are having a bit of a quiz with both of you guys. So we'll do it simultaneously, and you can win something in that as well.
But we both answer together?
No, in a sense, one question to you, one question to her. So it's like जो आपका जो whether you are and you're playing for
हैम्पर लेके आए हो आज?
you're playing for this. This is a
What is this?
it's a headphone that you
Oh,
can
not
possibly
bad
have.
यार। Very nice.
So you have to literally just battle it out, the battle of sexes. The idea is like one question to you and one question to her.
What are the general questions?
No, it is corporate quiz for Kareena Kapoor.
Oh,
And that
Corporate quiz is
stay
it?
at home quiz.
आपको
for
बजट
Arjun
के बारे में
Kapoor.
डिस्कशन करनी है।
No,
और मुझे प्याज के भाव पे चर्चा करनी है। चलिए खेलते हैं फरीदून के साथ। कौन है फिल्म में पति और कौन है पत्नी? आइए।
What is the corporate headquarters for Kareena Kapoor? Ladies first. What is the corporate
नहीं यार, जेंट्स
headquarters?
फर्स्ट खेलते ना।
अब मैं कर सकता हूँ। मैं कर
give
सकता हूँ।
Kareena
अगर इजाजत आपकी हो तो मैं
breathing
कर
Of
सकता
course.
हूँ। Okay, Arjun Kapoor.
जी।
Stay at home quiz for you. What is the current price of 1 kg potato in upmarket localities like Bandra and Andheri?
ऑप्शंस दीजिए।
ऑप्शन दे सकता हूँ मैं
Phone a
आपको।
friend,
अगर आप
हाँ।
मुझे रेंज
I would like to-
मैं
I would-
रेंज में सेटल कर जाऊंगा। रेंज
चलिए,
में
range
0 to 5
हाँ।
rupees. So I can
आप रेंज देंगे कि मैं अप्रोक्स?
ना मैं नहीं आप अगर बताएंगे
Per kilo?
तो पर किलो पोटैटोज इन बैंड्रा अंधेरी।
यार इतना स्पेसिफिक बैंड्रा अंधेरी।
तुम झूठ के तो
हाँ मैं झूठ वाला हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता बैंड्रा।
झूठ का बता दो।
बैंड्रा अंधेरी के बीच में जो आता है तो आप कर सकते
चलो मैं गैस करता हूँ 150 रुपीज।
हो पोटैटो।
Potatoes का 150 rupees?
क्या पता यार, मुझे नहीं पता।
We'll be on the road.
नहीं मुझे
22
40.
rupees per kg. It's like 22 to 25. That could have.
40 rupees.
So it's like-
टमाटर, प्याज and potato. Potato will be
potato
little
is
less.
22. Potato is 22
मैंने आज तक
kgs
सब्जी का
per
प्राइस
kg.
चेक नहीं। मेरी आदत है कोई कम मांगे तो मैं ज्यादा देता हूँ पैसे, तो मैं शायद दे नहीं देता।
150
You have
बहुत
reached
बात-
150?
But I'll give what is
तो
that?
चावल का भाव भी नहीं है।
150
Poor- but poor guy,
अभी आपको
selling
अकाउंट
potatoes.
आपको अभी खाता खोलना बाकी है। Kareena, what is the corporate headquarters of Google called?
Corporate headquarters of Google में in गुड़गांव ना?
In USA.
Not in India, bro.
In USA.
Where they started from, the founding San Francisco.
It's in California.
There's a name for
Yeah,
it.
Silicon Valley.
No.
That's a valley. That's a place where it's a big place. That's like
You have to
Bandra.
give options.
नहीं ऑप्शन के बिना ये गेम नहीं खेल पाएंगे बहुत।
Yeah, at least not me.
नहीं बट मैं 150 रुपए दे रहा हूँ आलू क्या लोग मुझे बेचने आएंगे जरूर। आलू ले लो, जैसे नाना पाटे कराते ना वेलकम में, वैसे होने वाला मेरे।
नहीं लेकिन
What
मैं तो
kind?
150
Yeah.
मैं सोच भी सकता था उसके लिए।
नहीं मैं तो ऐसे देने के लिए दे रहा था यार पैसे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है।
जी, actually I don't have options right now, but it's
Now
very famous.
answer
actually.
दीजिए, चलिए।
Googleplex. Googleplex. Okay, we'll come to the second one, which is very simple for Arjun Kapoor. What are the main ingredients for used to normally prepare tea?
मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स मतलब चाय पत्ती चाहिए होती है
हाँ,
और दूध चाहिए होता है।
Right.
डिपेंड्स अगर आप चीनी लेते हो या नहीं लेते हो तो शुगर फ्री होता है कई लोगों के लिए।
Right.
अगर आप अदरक वाली पीते हो तो अदरक
नहीं,
और पानी?
we'll settle for
इलायची वाली नहीं पानी। हाँ मैं आ
पानी?
रहा था उसमें पानी भी होता है, पर मैं आ रहा था उसमें। I was giving you flavors.
Yeah,
also.
I think
I was over compensating for the last
he
question.
has nailed it.
मसाला चाहिए।
Over nailed it actually.
नहीं, उसमें
But
मसाला तो डाल दो।
we'll give it to him. We'll give it to him for
हल्दी।
this. So one Arjun
Zero.
Kapoor has 1-0. So Kareena Kapoor, you
Better
have
ask
to
me a
really-
good question,
No, I'll ask you
Kareena.
very simple question now. Very simple question. Name the sons of Dhirubhai Ambani who are now the owners of Reliance Group.
दोनों ने आपकी पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है।
But now this is a question.
This is the question. now.
Okay, चलो मुकेश
Considering
अनानिल.
Mukesh and Anand. Considering पहला question थोड़ा सा भारी था, तो second question. So now it is 1-all, both of you. What is the cost of Amul Taza 1 liter carton?
यार आई एम लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट, तो मैं दूध नहीं पीता, तो घर पे दूध आता नहीं, मेरी बहन भी नहीं पीती। सही सही बात है यार, ये तो मैं अभी ऑडियंस को देख के बोलता
Between
नहीं
60
पता।
and 80.
इनको पता होगा।
नहीं
बेगम को पता होगा।
You want to take a guess?
महंगा होगा यार, दूध थोड़ा महंगा ही होता है। अब मैं ज्यादा बोलूंगा आप हंस दोगे फिर से।
She is near actually.
Yeah.
100 रुपए पकड़ते हैं ना।
90 is
90
near.
rupees. 90 rupees for
60
pack Nestle
60
pack.
का तो नहीं हो सकता।
I'm talking about Amul Taza.
नहीं
No, a
60 रुपए।
particular one
60
Tetra
रुपए
pack
ना?
का.
हाँ तो 60 रुपए, चलो 65।
60.
60
Yeah, so
या
I said
65?
Okay,
60
we'll
to
settle
80.
for it's around 58. So
हाँ,
we
तो
can
60 ना,
we'll give you
No,
that.
I
We'll give you
said
that.
60 to 80.
हाँ,
We'll give you
but
that.
Amul is-
We'll give you that.
Amul
But
is
you are
Indian
helping him.
also, ना?
You're helping him in a way. And
But वही तो relationship होती है, 50-50.
Lifeline.
2-1 as of now. Third question for Kareena Kapoor. What is the full form of KYC?
I'll just be back.
What?
मैं
KYC.
मेरा फोन आ
I
गया।
don't work. I don't work in a corporate firm. You're asking me.
In
No,
your
KYC for all is current you call. That is what it is, KYC.
What is KYC?
KYC is I think it's primarily used for your banks and banking sector.
RTGS पता है ना? RTGS we know. Actors only know RTGS.
Okay, it's know your customer.
Know your customer.
But you think I do online banking?
But it is something which is mandatory
The
now.
terminology.
KYC is something that you have to share with banks. Everyone has to share with banks.
I
That is
better be
something-
asking my mom all these questions.
As of now, 2-1 still. When doing laundry, load of fine fabrics and delicate sweaters, what water temperature should you use? Cold, hot, or super hot? Now I'm giving you options. Cold,
When
hot,
you're using when you're
laundry,
laundering
load of fine
clothes.
fabrics and delicate sweaters. What water temperature should you use?
गरम,
Cold, hot,
गरम,
or super
क्या
hot?
पता यार?
You take a guess.
Can I call my laundry
Fabrics
guy?
and delicate sweaters. Delicate sweaters.
गर्म पानी में श्रिंक हो जाते हैं ना?
Dry cleaning करना
ठंडे
पड़ता
पानी
है.
ठंडे पानी में करना चाहिए।
He's right. He's got 3-1 as of now. So Kareena Kapoor, you need. Okay, I'm asking you a very simple question now. What is the full form of TDS?
Tax deductible something.
So
Service.
At source. So 3-2.
Tax source.
3-2. 3-2.
Tax deduct. TDS वो
tax
चेक से
deducted
काट
tax
के
source.
आता है.
हाँ, हम तक पहुंचता नहीं है तो हमें कैसे
हाँ,
पता क्या
चेक
होगा
से
full
काट
form?
करके TDS आता है.
This has become a financial question.
Yeah, this is not corporate.
पैसे कितने हर चीज में?
It is corporate. It is, trust me. Which material, Arjun Kapoor, last question to you. Which material is best to clean mirrors and windows, cloth or paper?
Definitely not your T-shirt. That I can say.
Paper.
Like paper for mirror.
Yeah.
Because
I
of-
think he's a quite a.
I just said
No, no, but
paper.
that even I knew in the film I've cleaned with paper and all the mirror and all.
Good.
इतना किया है।
4
And घर पे you observe ना
as of
somebody's
now.
cleaning ऐसा नहीं।
So Kareena Kapoor technically he has won.
Yeah.
But-
But what about me?
You can still redeem and
Okay.
ये
that
headphone
way.
मैं उन्हीं को दूंगा।
So let's just
But ask me an easy one, huh?
I'm asking you.
Faridun?
I'm asking you a very simple question. Total deduction under section ATC, ATCC and ATCCT
I'm not interested in answering this
together cannot exceed. It's very simple.
What is so simple?
Total deduction. How much is the amount on which no tax is incurred?
Oh,
what is the
your
amount?
minimum income
Yeah.
which you're allowed to have without tax. No, maximum
No,
income.
in the sense.
Maximum is 33%.
No.
No, that is
Total
the amount
deduction
of
and कितना deduction आपका होना चाहिए? That cannot exceed in the sense कि इतना amount जो है आप जो है उसके ऊपर आपको you have to just submit the documents and all these things. That is
वही
something
तो
which
कह
is
रहा
not
हूँ, अगर
taxed.
आप सपोजिंग अगर आप मुझे
1
याद है
lakh.
नहीं 33,000 हुआ करता था जब मैं पढ़ा
नहीं आप she's closer. You
1
want
lakh.
to take another wild guess?
Yeah, 1.5 lakhs.
1.5
Yeah.
lakhs. So
Listen, I know now.
yeah,
We are
absolutely.
equal, huh?
Yeah,
Very good.
33,000 तक बिल्कुल.
नहीं नहीं
33,000.
अरे स्कूल में वो 33,000 वाला एक आंकड़ा दिया था
जी.
टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू
Right.
दैट इफ यू
But-
मेक अबव दिस मच यू पे
But the good news is that the car has won as of now. So
Why? I knew. I just lost the first that Google
हाँ,
wala.
that
देख
so
दे तो
4-3.
इनको हेडफोन
4-3.
इनको headphone
So we'll have to
कोई बात
we'll have to give
सूटकेस
to-
इनको सूट
आप
करेगा
बात कर सकते हैं
काम पे जाने के लिए ये देखिए
Congratulations to
Well done, Arjun.
बॉस जब बकबक करे तो कान पे लगा के यू कैन लिसन टू
Well done. ले लो, no problem. I'll sacrifice.